Hi, my name's Logan and this is our plant of the week. Geranium Rozanne. It is a lovely, fabulous, hardy perennial down to -20 that brings so much colour and vibrance into your borders. It gets to about 60 centimetres tall and it does great scrambling up between other plants. It is so gorgeous and it will tidy up your borders, soften up the corners and bring a lot of colour and light into them. It's got an award of garden merit, so you know you can trust it to be hardy and do well. It doesn't want waterlogged soil, but other than that it should do well in most soils. Overall, it is a good quality plant. After the first flush of flowers have started to fade, if you cut it down, it will come up again with loads of flowers and will do really well. It should flower from the early summer to the early autumn, August time, and they are just one of those staple plants that attract the pollinators, brighten up your garden and make your day a bit better. And that is why it's our plant of the week.